welcome back to my channel, and in this episode I'm going to show you what's happening with my 500 euro traders challenge. And I'm going to show you my big account, my stock account, and there's actually exciting losses happening there, and I was able to recover the losses very quickly, and I will show you why I suffered those two big losses and how much money I made in my big account. Now, so I'm running two accounts which I've been sharing with you. One is my 500 euro forex account, which I started back in December. I also started a big stock account. I'm only doing big name stocks with that. I will show you that in a second. And also I have a third account which I haven't funded yet, and it is also for 25,000 euro, and that's gonna be only for forex, and that I will show you in my next upcoming video, hopefully. And I'm gonna trade big times forexes using big amounts. Okay, so that's my third account. So let's get started. So what you're looking at the screen at the moment is my account which I started with 500 euro in December. Okay. Now what I did, if you watch my last video regarding this trade, I have one trade open which is actually giving me a biggest headache ever. If you watch my last video, this trade right there was giving me up to 14 euro profit, and I said live trading on the live video, and I said that I would like better return because I'm using 10 multiplier, and 14 euro over 500 is not really anything, so I left it. And I made a mistake. Okay, so now what's happened, it's gotten worse since yesterday, and now it's now really annoying. Okay, so but I'm not going to close this trade because most of my trades which you see over here, I'm just going to go back here, have in some point in time, most of them have hit the red and then come back towards green, and that's what I preach about against using stop losses, because if I had used stop losses in any of my trades here, they would have been closed out in a red. So effectively I'm using the same strategy over here, and hopefully it's gonna turn into green. And if it doesn't, I have put 500 euro on one single trade. I was feeling good about it and I took it. Now this is the euro ruble, and euro ruble I haven't traded that much with it, so it comes down to just trying something, and we do that once in a while. But you see most of my trades have been with big major currency pairs. Okay, so I'm doing 100 euro all along and doing pretty well. Now this is the if I go to the next page up here. Okay, so what's happening? Okay, so I'm just gonna change this to yeah, to show me bigger history. And as we can see here, I've got a whole lot of trades. I also have losses there in between. You can follow my 500 euro traders challenge, whatever you want to call it, in my playlist. I try to put them in the playlist so you can watch the whole history, how I'm doing it. And it's coming down to just looking at what the price points are and making trades using multiplier at different amounts. Okay, I'm more or less scalping here. You can see this is open on the same day, close on the same day, open on the same day, close on the same day, 10% each. Now this is 2%. So this is the trading history. But I mean, what's happening at this moment with this trade is I'm not very happy about it. But needless to say, this is my strategy, that I leave the trade open. But it's something, you know, it's euro ruble, and it might be the case that this money will be blocked for a long time, because I don't know when this will be closed off in a profit or loss. So this is something which is I've done, but I still have 700 euros left, so I can use that, but it just blocks my my investment. So let's move over to my second big stock account, which I'm going to show you right now. And what's happening in this one? Okay, so before I show you the live open trades, now the markets have been closed. Okay, so before I show you what's happening here, I want to go back to the closed trades here. And now why I'm able to make these trades is because I'm looking at the price points of each of these stock names and checking which direction they're all moving. Okay, so the market in stock move more or less when there's same kind of stock. They generally move in the same direction because, let's say, the big name stock like Netflix, Apple, Uber, Google, Tesla, so they sort of move in the same direction. So uh, what I have been doing is that if I look at the okay, this has to be increased here. Okay, let's just make it big. What I've been doing here is that whenever I'm trading with, let's say, I'm trading in the same direction, because if the market is going up, is more or less going for most of the stocks, and you can see that when I purchase all these stocks here, I use them in the same direction, and that's the key, because a lot of traders will look at one stock and say, okay, I think this is going up, and then look at another stock and okay, I think this is going down. But generally, I mean, I place trade in one go. Okay, I look at the market and I go bam, 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 bam. Okay, I open them at the same time because I know that it's not really likely. It's possible, anything is possible, but it's not likely that one stock is going up and the other is going down. The market moves in the same direction most of the time. Okay, that's the general consensus. So you can see I've done all going upwards because market was really going upwards. Okay, so and this has been great. Look at this. Okay, and then what I did was so on the after 1 month. Okay, so over here I must have gotten, I don't know how many I have to change this to here. Okay, let's change this to euro amount. Okay, so by looking at over here, I've made 100 about, this is 4,000, so this is like 4.5, 5.5, 6,000. So I've made 6,000 euro over here. Okay, and this is one day's work. Well, just taking your time, have coffee, read the news, look at the charts, and then say, okay, I think the market is going up, and then you go bam, 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 and spread your money in different amounts in different stocks, so your money is secure. Because if I had placed all of this money, okay, if I place all of this money in one trade, and if I'm wrong, that means I'm gonna blow up my account. Okay, so but I've separated that into different stocks, but I've used the same direction because, as I said, market will move in the same direction, and this is what's happened here. Okay, so then the market rides up and down. Okay, it's like a wave. So the wave has gone. Okay, so after 1 month, so there's nothing in between 21st of January to 21st of February. I did nothing on this account. As you can see, there's a big break. Okay, there needs to be no rush to trade. I've made 6,000 euro there approximately. I don't know, I have to check the calculator, but I'm not going to waste my time calculating. You can see for yourself. Okay, now I did not rush up to go and then start making new trades just on the 12th of February. I didn't do that. You can see it closed after 9 days. You can see my video on this what I traded with in my channel. I've created a playlist called Trade with Keith, and effectively what's happening here is that I close them at different times. Some of them were auto or whatnot. So then I open new trades on the 21st. Okay, I've opened 1, 2, 3, 4 trades open here, and then closed after 3 days because then the market was going down. You can see what's happening there. Okay, so I did the same direction which I was thinking, okay, it's gonna go in the same direction. Now I've used Tesla twice, and that's because I've put in total of 1,500 and 1,500, 3,000 on Tesla. Then on the 24th of February, okay, which is like 3 days before, we can look at two trades going. This is going down, this is going upwards. But to be honest, the market has been going down since the 24th of February, and that's why I really closed this Google account very quickly because I was watching the ticker and it wasn't going up. Okay, so this means the market is going down over here. Okay, so market is going down. Okay, so it was going up before, then was going down. I did a up trade. That's actually a mistake. And if I hadn't closed this trade, okay, pay attention now. If I hadn't closed this trade, I would have made loss on this trade right there. Okay, and so I said I need to get out of this trade, and it was the you know how the fluctuations happen, plus minus, green, red. It was, I said, okay, let's just get rid of this trade. So I was right because the market has been going down, and I understood that, and I quickly opened more downwards trend trade, and I made 500 euros a pop. How they say it in the southern states, I made 500 euro a pop, doing just down trades. Okay, now I went against the consensus. Okay, now this is a very bad move because from my part, because as you can see on the 25th of February the markets were going down. I had no reason, I repeat, I had no reason to do upward trend on these trades open on the 25th. Market is going down. I lost 4,000 euros each on these two trades. Okay, so 4 and 4, 8,000. So literally the money that I made, okay, this was about over 10,000 euro that I made, I lost 8. Bam, gone. Okay, well, it says 7,000, so 8 minus 8, so I made 16,000 minus 7, and I've got about 7.5 left. Okay, so I'm just rounding my numbers. So out of the 16,000 I made, I lost 8,000 euros. I will repeat that. I lost 8,000 euros on two trades. Why? Because I went against the consensus of the market, that the market is effectively going down. I'm not sure what happened there. It was, and I'm glad it's only two trades. Okay, and then what I did, I quickly opened, these trades were open quickly, so I recovered some money. So these trades, actually I opened them while these trades were still going on. Okay, these trades I did not close them. They were auto closed because my account was, my trade was completely out of the swap expenses, the spread expenses, the prices differences, everything, and this was auto stopped by itself. I did not close these trades because I received 1,000 euro each back. Okay, so I don't know why broker systems do that. They close the trade, but okay, I just clicked that on by mistake. Okay, right now the markets are closed. You can see there's a red thing over there, dot. That means the market is closed. Market just fell. Okay, and at that time I had a hunch that it's gonna rise, but I was completely wrong. But I got out of those trades very well. I didn't get out of them. I start placing downward trends, 5,000 each. You can say bam, 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 bam. So I put in all my money, try to recover, because I can forget about the two trades, the 10,000 euro trades. I forgot about that. Didn't forget, but just forget about them. Market is going down. So I started to recover some of these losses from 8,000. I recovered some money back. Okay, so this was my strategy to reduce my losses. Very important. Okay, so 500, 500, 1,000, 1,500, and these two 2,100. So from the 8,000 loss, okay, I actually placed trades on the other direction, and my losses was cut down to 5,900. So good job. I mean, it's eventually it's gonna happen. I'm gonna make losses in this account. This was the first time I've incurred losses, and the thing is, it's okay. So let's look at the active trades now. I'm gonna show you that right now, and you can see in the mini window right there, I've got how many? 5 trades open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I understood that the market is going down. I took those trades, and let's check out when I took these trades. Okay, and I took them after these positions were closed, and they were placed on, okay, at 10% each. Okay, you can see, actually I was meant to show you. I'm gonna go back here, so let's just go back. first I want you to see what I did. So what I did a take profit of 10% on each of my trades, and you can see that this amount is exactly is it 10%? 5, I think it is. No, it's not. Okay, no, I closed them. Yeah, I closed them. I had it on 10%. I didn't reach 10%, and I closed them because I was scared that I'm not sure what's happening with the market. But I saw that the market is still going down, so I opened new trades today going downwards, and I used all of the stocks in the same direction. There's no point me doing up and up down. No, it doesn't work like that with stock market with same kind of category of stocks, because these are top companies. They move in the same direction. Okay, now, so I started doing down trades, open today at 6 o'clock. Now market just closed just before hour and a half from now. Okay, I could have closed these out, but the market was closed because I was doing some other things, washing something, and then I wasn't able to close them. So what I need to do is immediately tomorrow to close them as quickly as possible, because the prices may change again and I might lose. This is good enough. I need to cash in this money right now, okay? Because the chart is a ride, okay? The chart is a ride, and when the ride goes back to the position it wants to be, it okay, let's close this. I'm gonna lose out on the 8,000 euro, 7,694 euro, what you see on the screen right now. It's gonna disappear, and I don't want that to disappear. I want that to shift into my account as a balance, and then I can start over again. Okay, I was like, okay, is the market still going down? Okay, let's place another 20,000 in 4 trades in different stock names. Let's do that. Okay, and then the cycle starts again, and if I think the market is going up, it will be upwards, but all in the same direction. Okay, so this is the end of my video for the update of my 500 euro challenge. I've doubled the money. It's over 1,000, but I mean, as you can see, it's a small amount, small account, and the level of returns will be similar. Okay, but if you can make, so if you're one of my followers or looking to follow, you're most welcome to go to my website, easytradingschool.com. I have a free trading mentorship program which you can join right now, and I will send you email updates about trading strategies. I will update you on trading videos. I will give you a lot of information. I also have a non-book, very easy to read, simple to understand. So I will educate you to start making profits like I have been doing. And you can also copy my trades through my Telegram channel. That link is also available on my website. So and if you sign up with your email as well, you will eventually get the link to join. Links are in the description. If you want to join me, that's great, and I look forward to updating you on the next update with my big stock account. Let's see how this account opens tomorrow, and if I'm able to get that money into my account shifted. So thank you for watching. Please, if you like the video, do a thumbs up button, and also if you're not one of the subscriber, please subscribe, because I tend to bring out a lot more than I have in the past, and a lot more is to come. I've been doing a lot of trading before without having to share it, but I have decided in 2020 I'm gonna share my learning with everybody. So that's one of my resolutions for New Year, and I hope to keep it up, and your subscribe will really give me a boost and also benefit you, because you get to see what's happening, what I'm doing, and you can copy my trades. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where I'm going to show you what's happening with my trades. Thanks a lot. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.